Dear students, in this particular video, we are going to deal with the types of networks such as LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN, etc. The local area network is a network that is limited to relatively small area. A metropolitan area network, it covers a city, either a private or public, corporates. Wide area network, they spread over the large distance across countries, even continents. Its cabling is through satellite uplinks called WAN. The personal area network is a network of communicating devices like computer, phone, MP3 player, camera, etc. It is organized around an individual person only. In detail, what is a local area network? A network of communication in a room or a building. It covers an area of few kilometers, that is 1 to 10 kilometers only. It can be set up through a wired or wireless media. It can be managed by a single person or an organization. The Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi is used to establish a LAN. The metropolitan area network. It is a network of communicating devices within a city. It covers area of 100 kilometers radius. The example for MAN are network of schools, banks, government office within a city. It is typically formed by interconnected number of LANs. It can be owned by a group of organizations or government. The next one is wide area network. It is a network of communication devices crossing the limit of city, country or continent. It covers hundreds of kilometers radius. It can cover an ocean. The example for WAN is Internet, ATM, national or international organization offices spread over a country. It is usually formed by interconnecting LAN, MAN or maybe other WANs. The best example of WAN is Internet. It is also termed to be World Wide Web. The last but not the least, it is a personal area network. The network of communicating devices like phone, a computer or a digital camera, etc. It can cover only few meters radius, that is within a room. When we transfer songs from one cell to another set, actually we are setting up personal area network in two phones that you are sharing through Bluetooth or extender, like that. It can be set up using guided or unguided media. It's a new term for you people. Guided means a wired media, whereas unguided means a wireless media. Medium is nothing but a channel for transmitting the data between the source and the destination. Thank you, students. I hope you're all clear with this topic, that is types of networks. Don't forget, the types of networks are LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. Thank you.